Tired of the same old scenery in your Minecraft world and itching for a change of scenery? In this video, we're diving into how you can completely transform your Minecraft world by changing biomes. We will be covering commands, external editors, and world generation settings. First up, let's explore the power of commands. Ensure you have cheats enabled in your world settings. This allows you to use powerful tools to reshape your surroundings. The most straightforward command involves targeting a specific area and replacing it with your biome of choice. It's perfect for localized changes, like turning that boring patch of land near your base into a thriving forest. Next, we have external editors. Programs like Macedit allow you to manipulate your world on a much larger scale. After downloading and installing one of these editors, open your world save file and select the area you want to modify. Then, simply choose your desired biome from the list and apply the changes. Remember to back up your world before using external editors, just in case anything goes wrong. Lastly, let's talk about world generation. While you can't change the biomes in an existing world through this method, you can heavily influence them when creating a new one. When creating a new world, select the Customize option and adjust the biome settings. This gives you unprecedented control over the distribution and types of biomes that will generate, resulting in a world tailored to your exact specifications. So there you have it, 3 different methods to change the biome in Minecraft. Whether you prefer the precision of commands, the large-scale manipulation of external editors, or the preemptive control of world generation settings, you now have the tools to customize your Minecraft landscape to your heart's content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.